Buongiorno, I'm Sofia Antonelli. Welcome back. Today we talk about the top 5 destinations in Italy and how to enjoy your vacation on a budget. So come on, let's go.
Top 5 places to visit in Italy and budget travel tips. Hey travelers, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going on an epic adventure through Italy. We're talking about the top 5 places you absolutely must visit in Italy. Plus, I'll be sharing insider tips on how to experience these iconic spots on a budget. Whether you're into ancient history, stunning landscapes, or vibrant city life, this video's got you covered. Let's dive right in. Rome, the Eternal City. First on our list is, of course, Rome. The Eternal City is famous for landmarks like the Colosseum, Vatican City, and the beautiful Trevi Fountain. You can literally feel history on every street corner. Stay in the Trastevere or Testaccio neighborhoods. They're charming, more affordable than the tourist-packed center, and still within easy access to all the main attractions. For food, head to local trattorias instead of touristy spots. Rome's street food like pizza al taglio and supply are delicious and inexpensive. Get a 72-hour Roma pass for discounts on public transport and free entry to some museums. You'll save on metro rides and entrance fees for major sites. Venice, the floating city. Next, let's float over to Venice, one of the most unique cities in the world. You'll be mesmerized by St. Mark's Basilica, the Rialto Bridge, and, of course, the iconic gondolas. Stay in Mestre, a neighboring town, and take a short train ride into Venice each day. You'll save a lot compared to staying in the city center. Avoid eating near the main attractions like St. Mark's Square. Venture into the less touristy neighborhoods and look for sacchetti bars where you can enjoy traditional Venetian snacks at a fraction of the price. Instead of splurging on a gondola ride, take the Vaporetto, Venice's water bus, for an affordable and scenic ride along the Grand Canal. Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance. Now, let's head to Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance and a dream for art lovers. The Duomo, the Uffizi Gallery, and the iconic Ponte Vecchio Bridge are absolute must-sees. Look for guest houses or Airbnbs just outside the city center. They're often more affordable, but still within walking distance of major attractions. Go for Florence's famous street food like lampredato or a panino with porchetta from the local food markets. Delicious, authentic, and won't break the bank. Florence is small and walkable, so skip the taxis and buses. You can walk from one side of the city to the other in under 30 minutes, saving on transportation and soaking in the beauty at your own pace. Amalfi Coast. The Amalfi Coast is pure paradise. The towns of Positano, Amalfi, and Ravel offer breathtaking views, colorful cliffside homes, and crystal-clear waters. Stay in a nearby town like Priano or Trani, which are much more affordable than Positano or Amalfi. You'll still enjoy the stunning scenery, but with less tourist traffic and lower prices. Opt for groceries and picnic meals. The local markets are full of fresh, delicious Italian produce, and enjoying a meal with a view costs you nothing. Skip the taxis and use the Sita buses to get around the coast. It's much cheaper, and the scenic rides along the cliffs are an experience in themselves. Milan, Italy's fashion capital. Last but not least, we head to Milan, Italy's fashion and design capital. Here you'll want to check out the Milan Cathedral, the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, and Sforza Castle. Look for budget hotels or hostels in the Porta Romana or Navigli districts. They're cheaper than the city center and still easily accessible by metro. For food, take advantage of Milan's aperitivo culture. Order a drink, and you'll often get access to a full buffet of snacks, perfect for budget-conscious travelers. Get a 24-hour or 48-hour transport pass for unlimited rides on Milan's metro, trams, and buses. It's an affordable way to explore the city. So, there you have it, my top 5 places to visit in Italy and how you can save big while exploring this beautiful country. Whether you're a history buff, an art lover, or someone just wanting to soak in Italy's scenic beauty, this country truly has something for everyone.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more travel tips, and let me know in the comments where you would like to go in Italy.